Welcome to Whole Mindset Mastery. WHOLE is an acronym for Wealthy, Healthy, Optimal Life Expectancy. This channel aims to inform and inspire you to achieve true freedom. Freedom from living paycheck to paycheck. Freedom from drowning in debts and health issues plaguing millions of Americans. Freedom from a job that doesn't inspire you or bring you fulfillment by equipping you with the mindset, knowledge, and tools to put into action today for a wealthier and healthier you. So you too can choose where to work, when to retire, when to pursue your passion or purpose, where work is not have to, but get to. A quote from Warren Buffett in CNBC article said along the line of, you only have one mind and one body. If you don't take care of them when you're young, it's like leaving a car in a hailstorm, let rust eat away at it. If you don't take care of your mind and body now, when you turn 40 or 50, you'll be like the car that can't go anywhere. As a 46-year-old man, I agree with Warren's statement. When you're in your 20s and 30s, you can get away with many unhealthy mindset and habits. But if you don't adjust as you age, the compound effect will take a toll on you physically, mentally, intellectually, and financially. I am not a financial advisor, a doctor, or a lawyer. This is not meant to be a financial or medical advice. I am only sharing my failures, many of them, 2 decades of them as a matter of fact, learnings and successes. Who am I? Why should you spend your valuable time with me? As a refugee, a first-generation immigrant, and a proud naturalized American citizen, I am living the American dream. I can provide my family needs and wants while accumulating a net worth of $719,349 and a nest egg of $557,374 at the end of 2023. We are working towards our financial independence number of 1.25 million at the age of 50. We are doing this with 4 kids along the way. 2 are adults out of the house, living their own lives, and we still have 2 kids left in the house. At age 46, don't let this gray hair fool you. I am in the best shape of my life. May not be the strongest, but certainly the best overall shape of my life. But it hasn't been an overnight success. From a financial perspective, I was not immune to consumerism, buying the latest and greatest things, driving the nice sport cars, purchasing a home that was bigger than what I needed, and honestly, more than what I could afford. Every penny made was a penny spent. As a result, I had $0 saved for retirement and a negative net worth at the age of 32. Let me repeat. As a result of my consumer mindset, I had $0 saved for retirement and a negative net worth at the age of 32. As for physical fitness, I've always been into sports, from soccer to basketball, to skiing, to snowboarding, and weightlifting. But all of that came to a halt in 2016. That's when I experienced a sharp pain in my left hip, a tingling sensation down my left leg, and a severe lower back pain. With an X-ray and MRI, it showed that I had herniated disc, L4 and L5. The pain was so severe, so painful. Everyday activities that we take for granted, sleeping, getting off the bed, putting socks on, getting in and out of the car, standing still, sitting still, etc., was so painful. I was heavily medicated. My treatments included 3 epidural injections, physical therapy, chiropractor, ice and heat massage, and muscle stimulations, etc. Slowly but surely, I've gained flexibility, mobility, and strength. Since April 11, 2022, my back has been around 90%. I was able to play pickup basketball for the first time since 2016. I can perform lawn work for more than an hour and a half without severe back pain and needing massage and ibuprofen. I still have to watch my posture to make sure that I recruit the right muscles for different activities. But overall, my recovery is going well, really well. Professionally, I've been in the workforce for 25 years, 2 years as a software engineer, and 23 years in manufacturing environment and manufacturing and shipping car parts to assembly plants across the globe. For the 23 years in the manufacturing environment, I spent 12 years as a production hourly team member and 11 years and counting in various levels of leadership roles. I am naturally good at problem solving, coaching, and mentoring. Being in front of a camera, talking to you, this is unnatural and is very uncomfortable. As a parent, I'm used to capturing and editing my kids' moments, but being in front of a camera, talking to you through a lens is unnatural, it's uncomfortable, and I'm completely new to this. However, this is not about me. It's about you and the millions of Americans that are struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debts, and dealing with health issues, and stuck in a job that doesn't inspire or bring you fulfillment. I'm here to give you back control by equipping you with the mindset, knowledge, and tools to put into action today for a wealthier and healthier you, so you too can have the freedom to choose where to work, when to retire, when to pursue your passion or purpose, where work is not have to, but get to. Accumulating wealth and staying healthy is easy, but not quick. If anyone promised you get rich quick and hidden secrets, run away. Run away as fast as you can. The information that I share is not a secret. You can easily find the articles, the how-tos on the World Wide Web, blogs, YouTube, etc. I am not reinventing the wheels. All I am doing is assembling all the information in one place and share it with you. Be consistent, trust the process, and I guarantee you the result will follow. That's it. That's the recipe to true freedom. I leave you with my quotes that sums up my turnaround from a consumer mindset to a wealth building mindset. From being hampered by herniated disc L4 and L5 to now free to live my life the way I want it to be. You can learn from the past, but you cannot undo it. You can plan and prepare for the future, but not predict it. Don't dwell on the past. Don't worry about the future. Do take action today.